You might hear the term fiduciary when choosing a financial advisor, but what does it actually mean for your wallet? A fiduciary is a person or organization that is legally required to act in your best interest at all times. When someone acts as a fiduciary, your financial well-being must be placed ahead of their own profits or commissions. These duties ensure that your advisor doesn't recommend a product just because they get a higher commission for selling it to you. The alternative is the suitability standard, where products only need to be appropriate for you, even if they aren't the cheapest or best option. Fee-only advisors are more likely to be fiduciaries, while commission-based models may present conflicts that you should look out for. It is a simple question that can reveal a lot about how your potential advisor handles your hard-earned savings. Understanding fiduciary standards is a key step in protecting your financial future. Thanks for watching and stay curious.